na lang kung anong gusto mong i-mine, Beb. Anong size mo, Madam, Madam Sergeant, Nurse? Ito po, size po natin is large. Size is large, mga B. Size is large. Napakaganda po. Oh my God, cashmere, mga B. Mamahaling tela po talaga. Code natin dito is cash. Code natin is cash. Size po natin is large XL. Large to semi-XL, yes. Code po natin dito is cash. Code natin is cash. 650, still ng 750. Good for still. Ayan. Go! Next one.
Yours na si Pia, Madam RB Altayo. Yours na si Kape, Madam Serhan Nars. Yours na si Bongga, Madam Natalie Sarmiento.
Ito po, size po natin is medium best fit. Size is medium. Padded po ang kanyang shoulders, mga bet. So, maganda ang postura, mga B. Very lightweight, hindi ka majajabar. Size po natin is medium best fit. Code po natin dito is gray. Fully lined. This is not fully lined, so very magaan po. Code natin dito is gray. Code natin dito is gray. This one is only 499 pesos. Gray 499, gray 499 pesos. Size is medium. For your reference po, medium po ang size ko, mga beb. Ibang color ng 2XL please. Sige po, ibang color daw ng 2XL. Size po natin is medium up to semi-large. Medium up to semi-large po. Bakit may DP po na 200? Kaya po na kami nagpapa-DP is para ma-sure po na good buyer po ang lahat na magmamain po sa amin today. Kasi after po na makamain po ng ating mga nag-DP, pwede po kasi sila mag-unli mine eh. After mine po, mababawas na po ang 200 pesos po sa kanilang invoice later on, mga bebs. So, for security purposes po yan. At the size po natin is large, medium large, size is medium large. Code po natin dito, ang ganda. Code natin is money, mga beb. Code natin is money. Size po natin, very pa old money style. Size natin is medium large. Code po natin is money for 550, still ng 650, good for still. May white po na dress, puro mga blazers po tayo today, mga beb. 37 to 38 bust. Ay, saktong-sakto. Dapat sa'yo med-large, madam. Kasi, medium po ako. 36 bust po ako eh. 36 bust. So, med to large ang sizing mo, mga B. Okay, eto. Size po natin is 2XL. Size is 2XL. Madam! Eto na po. Napakaganda ng kulay na to, B. Sino yung nagre-request ng 2XL? Here you go. Size po natin is 2XL. Code po natin dito is Dilaw. Code is Dilaw. Si Dilaw po is only 599. You can sell up to 699. Good na good for sale. Code is Dilaw. 599. Still ng 699. Next one. Okay. Wow! Oh my God, this one is super lightweight, mga beb. Kahit lightweight siya, this one is fully lined, mga beb. Expect nyo ang quality, mga beb. Size po neto is large. Size po natin is large. Napakaganda ng color, mga bebe ko. Code po natin dito is quality. Code po natin dito is quality. Size po natin is large. Size is large. Code is quality for only 599, still ng 699. Good for still. See? Quality.
Yours na si
Next
Dilaw,
one.
Madam RB Altayo.
I have another one, Madam RB. Sobrang ganda. This one is 2XL as well. Diyos ko, magiging blooming talaga ang aura mo neto, mga beb. Tingnan mo naman, B. Super nice! Napakaganda ng color. Code natin dito is... Diyos ko, napakaganda, Mommy Cakes. Code natin dito is Lava. Code natin dito is Lava. Size po natin is 2XL. Size is 2XL. Code natin is Lava. Si Lava po is only 599 pesos. Still ng 699. Good for still. Code natin is Lava for 2XL. Next one, nude or light brown na 2XL. Go tayo dyan, madam. Okay, this one is size large po ito. This one is large. Fully lined, mga bebe ko. And kitang-kita po ang kanyang quality, mga B. Talagang pang out of this world. Look at this. Or kaya naman sa mga luxury brand mo lang po talaga makikita, mga bebe. Tingnan mo naman. Pang-artistang ang atake. Size po natin is large. Size is large. Code po natin dito is Celebrity. Code natin is Celebrity. Celebrity for only 650 pesos. Still ng 750. Good na good for still po si Celebrity, mga bab. Good afternoon! Ano sabi? Good afternoon, semi-large. Size color nude please. Yes, Madam Jen Lau. Go tayo dyan. semi-large daw. So, medium to large. Okay, this one is large size, mga beb. Nga pala, sa mga bagong pasok po, for your reference po, ang height ko po is 5'4", and ang body frame ko po is medium, mga beb. Medium po ako, mga B. This one is size large. Size is large na very, very lightweight, mga beb. Hindi po talaga majajabar. Talagang masusuot mo throughout the day. Code po natin dito is day. Code natin is day. Size po natin is large. Size is large. Code natin is day. Double-breasted pa yan. Yan ang usong-usong blazer ngayon. Code natin is day. Day for only 550. Still na 650. Good for still. Short sleeves, please. Sige, Madam Kai. Anong size mo sa short sleeves? Let me know. Okay, this one. Medium to semi-large, beb. Medium to semi-large. Diyos ko, napakaganda. Bagong-bagong mga baby ko, loves. Look at this. Ay, grabe! Talagang panalong-panalo mga baby ko. Look at that. Ay, just go. Winner. Code po natin dito is winner. Size po natin is med-large. Saktong-sakto po sa nagre-request ng semi-large na Anna Beige. Code po natin dito is winner. Code po natin dito is winner. Si winner po is only 650. You can sell out to 750. Good na good for still yan, mga beb. Talaga naman po, pag ito nakuha mo, B, magkakaroon ako ng feedback sa'yo. I know magandang feedback po. Bagong-bago po kasi, mga beb. No signs of usage. Talagang goods na goods for that price, mga B. Sulit na sulit. Extra small the short sleeves rin po here. Sabi ni Matcha. Hello, Matcha. Sige, more on short sleeves tayo. Go tayo. Code natin dito. Wow, napakaganda po. This one is branded by Spau, I think. This one, anong brand na ito? Loreni? This one is Loreni.
Still si winner, Madam Roan Sevilla.
This one is Loreni, guys. Napakaganda po ng brand na to, mga B. Size po natin is medium best fit. Pwede hanggang semi-large. Napakaganda ng length. Sakto-sakto lang po. Hindi mahaba. Hindi masyado ma-exceeded. Code po natin dito is branded. Code natin is branded. Goods na goods ang kanyang quality. Fully lined. Code natin dito is branded. Code natin is branded. This one is only 550. You can sell up to 650. Good for still po si branded, mga beb. Day na large. Yes! Large po si Day, mga beb. Okay, yours na yan, Madam Marianne Tan. Okay, another one. Sobrang ganda po neto. Bagong-bago po ang ating blazer, mga B. Tingnan mo naman. Sobrang nice. Size po natin is medium best fit. Size is medium. Code po natin dito is nice. Code po natin dito is nice. Beb, si nice, ibibigay ko lang po for only 550 pesos. Go tayo dyan, mga beb. Size po natin is medium best fit. Code natin dito is nice. Nice for 550. Still na 650. Good for still. Doon na tayo sa short sleeves, guys. Okay, sige. Ito po, size po natin is small. Size is small, mga bag. Small, medium, pwede to. Code po natin dito is Dior. Code natin is Dior. Size po natin is small. Code is Dior. Si Dior po is only 399 pesos. You can sell out to 499. Good for still. Code natin is Dior. 399, still ng 499, small, medium. Next one, ito po, mga beb. Bagong-bago, mga B. Super nice. Size po nito is, wow! Congratulations sa nagre-request nito. Size po natin is medium-large. Size is medium-large. Sana i-steal mo na, baka kasi maagaw pa sa'yo. Napakaganda, Mami Cakes. Tingnan mo naman, bagong-bago. Oh my God. Code po natin is Amen. Amen to that, mga beb. Napakaganda. Diyos ko, Lord. Size po natin is med-large. Size is med-large. Code natin is Amen. Amen for 650. Still ng 750. Good na good for still. Beb, kahit, balikan mo ako dito, Beb, kung pangit. Sinasabi ko sa'yo, you'll thank me. You'll thank me for this one. Napakaganda. Diyos ko na. Napakasulit na